This is the brief on guiding future leaders through the concept of growth. Heading into today's session at Martin County PAL with Coach AJ, just remember, your role isn't to give some grand speech or fix every single youth in the room. It's literally just to listen, connect, and maybe spark a tiny 1% shift. First, we've got to normalize the room. Look, some of these future leaders absolutely will not want to talk, right? They'll deflect with humor or just hit you with a flat, I don't care. But when they push back like that, are they actually rejecting you? Or are they just testing to see if you'll actually stay? That silence isn't a failure, it's your entry point. Second, let's talk about today's focus, which is moving from just going through life to intentionally growing through it. Coach AJ is going to use this really great plant metaphor. Basically, a seed just can't grow in pitch black dirt without water and sunlight. So challenge the youth to look at their own soil. Ask them, are your friends and daily environments actually fertilizing your potential, or are they just keeping you in the dark? Finally, rely on high leverage moves. We want no long speeches, no big life stories, and definitely no immediate corrections. Our mantra today is less talking, more timing. Just lean in with simple, direct questions like, what does your current environment cost you? Or what would getting just 1% better look like for you this week? If just one future leader walks out of there thinking differently today because of a real conversation with you, that is an absolute win.